Hello, I'm Jeremy Dyson. Welcome to Trophy Rides, where we hear the stories behind the ride straight from the owners themselves. Now, we've all heard that old saying, they don't make them like that anymore. Well, this couldn't be more true than with this classic Buick. Now, if you love old classic cars and unique rides, hit that subscribe button, follow me. Now let's go hear the stories behind this beautiful Buick. What year did you say this is?
It's a 1937. 1937 Buick. I bought it about 27 years ago, and out of a barn, and started completely redoing it, you know, back then, and tore it down and rebuilt it. And originally I built it up for the Great American Race that runs from coast to coast.
Yes.
And I was going to, once I got back from the race, you know, pull out all the original drivetrain, that Straight-8 motor, and put in, you know, late model drivetrain, make a resto mod out of it. But it ran so darn good, you know, with that Straight-8 motor and stuff. After I redid it, I didn't have the heart to, you know, to tear it out, and so I decided to keep it all original. And it's very seldom that you see a Straight-8 motor anymore. So, and so we really enjoy it. We've had it for, well, it's been on the road for about 25 years. You know, that I painted it in my garage actually 25 years ago. So.
If you have a classic car or unique ride you'd like to see featured here, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and tell your friends.